What we truly wanted was a true digital voice assistant, which generally speaking does not truly exist at the moment. That would actually not only help with clinical documentation, it would be a complete assistant. It will be able to place orders and then also search for data with your voice. It's like any other voice assistant, like Hey X. I'm not going to say the word A, G, or S, but rather that you are able to actually invoke a voice assistant that's going to help you through the journey of the process. And that digital voice assistant can be dialed into specific areas. For example, Hey X, provide me a stroke summary. And this way they would know that I need antiplatelets, anticoagulation agents, last time the patient actually had any stroke, etc. So we can actually have that designed objects that can be mass deployed at different areas. So that's where we want to get to. But the best thing would be actually that eventually this data can actually provide us with a clinical decision support, not in terms of just expert systems, which is a technical term, but at the end of the day, we can design them, because this is the crucial aspect of getting all that intelligence before we can actually transform that to help physicians make better decisions, and more importantly, faster decisions, because data is the key to everything in evidence-based medicine.